I don't get to say this very often, but some good news out of the Treasury this week. There's a little known scheme known as the mandatory bank referral legislation, which requires, with your permission, a bank to pass over the details of small business owners who are looking for funding who have been declined by their own bank. This program is really beginning to get some traction. A 300% increase year on year is a very, very significant gain. And a lot of that has been achieved by the really excellent collaborative nature of the participants. So we have the main banks involved, we have the British Business Bank, we have the Treasury, various other stakeholders, and of course in the centre of this, the funding platforms themselves. And between all those participants, they have managed to create an exceptionally collaborative atmosphere where the core goal behind all of their actions is to make this scheme a success. We think this is really great news. It costs the taxpayer nothing and is a serious help to the economy. My own opinion, this is just the start of this particular process. As the platforms become more integrated with the banks, and most importantly, as SME owners become more aware of this process, this backstop, this lifeline to funding, which is what this scheme provides for small business owners, it will become, instead of the trickle that it is now, 15 million is very, very helpful, but in the world of SME lending, it's not a vast amount of money. And that trickle will become a flood as more and more people understand that this scheme is there. It's there for their benefit, it's safe, it's very tightly policed by the British Business Bank on behalf of the Treasury. Don't forget, this law has been introduced to help you, the small business owner. When you ask your bank for money, remember, if the answer is no, that is not the end of the line. This program is designed to give you a second chance at acquiring that growth funding. Make sure when you engage with your bank that you ask about the mandatory bank referral scheme at the earliest possible opportunity. Remember, a no from your bank is not the end of the road. If you'd like to see more Tav on Money, click subscribe.